What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I've seen a lot of hype over this new company, Shine Armor, and I decided to pick up a gallon of their new foam cannon power soap with hyper concentrated super blue gloss enhancers. I want to see, if the acclaimed added benefits are really there in this soap. So we're going to be trying out Shine Armor's new foam cannon soap today, see how it works. See if it smells any good. Yeah, it smells good. It's got a light, berry kind of scent to it. Smells good. I will say, just right off the bat here, it does appear to be a lot more liquid compared to some of the other soaps I've used. Some of the other soaps are really thick, like corn syrup or something. I'm interested to see how this works compared to those other brands. Wow, it says we only need half an ounce of this stuff per gallon of water. That's pretty crazy. Can be used in the sun. Best results, use it out of direct sunlight. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be washing it in the sun. One of their big claimed benefits is that this doesn't remove wax or sealants, and it is designed to be used both traditionally with a glove or a sponge, as well as in foam cannons. I don't know, I'm just gonna pour a healthy little amount into our foam cannon reservoir here. Definitely a little bit more than half an ounce, but I'm excited to see how it works. Shine Armor hyper concentrated foam cannon power soap. Yes, this stuff is legit. I am really impressed by this soap. I really wasn't expecting much, and I don't know, for whatever reason I thought the more liquidy soap wouldn't really do as good a job as the Chemical Guys, which is really thick and viscous, kind of like corn syrup or something. I just naturally think that something like that would do a better job of kind of slickly gliding over the surface, but this is the slickest soap I've ever used. It did an excellent job. The color on the car looks very rich. The clear coat looks amazing, and when I went to dry off the car, this was the quickest drying off of the car I've ever done. And as you guys saw, I used my backpack blower there, blow all the excess water off the car. Usually I have to follow that up with a microfiber to get some, residual water off. I didn't need to come back with a microfiber this time. And that's not just because it's in the sunlight. Half the car, or more than half the car, is in the shade. I also wanted to test that, see how it performed in the sun versus the shade. The soap really didn't seem to care. It didn't affect the performance whatsoever, at least not in my case. And I think there is a really big difference in this soap versus others in its ability to leave the wax on the car, because I think that's the reason why it dried off so easily, because it didn't strip all the wax off the car. I'm really impressed with this soap, and I'm honestly really glad Shine Armor didn't send this to me for free. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. I went out and purchased this myself, and I'm glad I did that, because I can honestly tell you with no bias, this is hands down the best soap I've ever used. And I really look forward to ordering and trying out some of Shine Armor's other products. Yeah, it feels really smooth. You can still feel some of the wax is still there, but just looking at the hood here, I don't know, I think it did a really good job. The glass has really nice clarity. It didn't really leave any silt behind on the paint. Overall, I'm super impressed. So I'm genuinely very surprised and pleased with the outcome of this soap. I really wasn't expecting it to perform this well, but it went above and beyond my expectations. Just a quick little review video on the Shine Armor Ultra Concentrated Foam Cannon Soap. I didn't see any other YouTube videos focusing in directly on this soap, so I decided to make one. Hopefully some of you guys find this review helpful. I can genuinely tell you guys this is some really good soap. If you guys have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please go smash that like button. Take a good look at the BMW F30 here. So if that's something that interests you, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.